If you fancy a good curry recipe and you don't want to spend a lot of money on a takeaway, this recipe is for you. We are going to be making lamb and aubergine masala curry. Now, this recipe is packed with flavor. The lamb is super moist, but the best thing about it is low in calories because some of the method we're going to take off the frying and we're going to be using the air fryer instead. So, start off by chopping your aubergine into cube. Once you do that, tap them and dry them with a towel, and then add them in a bowl followed by 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That's it. We're not going to be frying it. We're going to be using the air fryer because aubergine tend to use a lot of oil. Add some salt, shake them all together, and air fry them for good 20 minutes on 160 or until they're softened. Now, in a pan, add some ghee and some onion, red onion preferably, and cook them until they're softened. After that, add your ginger and your garlic and cook for another 2 minutes. Now add your cinnamon stick followed by your lamb. Now if your lamb is out of your price range, you can still use some minced beef or lamb. It's up to you. Now while your lamb is browning, start making your masala mix. Add it all on top, followed by some tomatoes. Once your tomatoes has softened, add in your masala curry paste. Now this recipe is going to be on my website, so don't you worry. The full paste is on my website, but if you want, you can buy a pre-made jar. So then once your lamb is fully cooked, add your yogurt, and this is the final stage. Cook it for an extra 5 minutes. Don't cook it any longer than that, otherwise your yogurt will start to separate. And here you have it. Sprinkle some coriander and serve it with some rice and some masala spices. Enjoy!